Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a Western Electric 2554, and this is Randy's telephone from Georgia. And so what we have here is the actual telephone that Randy sent in, which would be this one on the left here, and it's kind of in a beige color. And we have the white one on the right because Randy has a letter here, and I've talked to him, and he's talking about how when he'd plug this telephone in, it would short the line out, and he would have to unplug it to untie all the rest of his telephones so that they would not be off hook again. And so it was shorting out his line is what it was doing. And then he said that he could hardly hear through the handset when he did have it working, and he's talking about the cord was hard to plug into the handset and the phone. It would fall out, I guess. You know, if possible, he wants to change it to white, and then he's just talking about the phone basically in the letter. So what we've done here is got him a handset that's in white, a body that's in white, and then he needs a new handset cord because his handset cord was no good. And we have that in the back there, and that's new, and we'll be installing that. But what we have here is his original phone, and we're not going to be using this because he wants the white body and handset. This is a totally different base. He had a base that it came in with, but this base is in much better condition. So we're just going to go ahead and swap the base out, and it's already been worked over, and it's ready to go. Other than what we need to do to it is install a bridge rectifier for proper polarity. And this is an original one, and we're going to be installing that at the network. So no matter where this telephone's plugged in, it will always have proper polarity, and it will always work properly as long as it has proper polarity. So we're going to go ahead and take a short break, and we're going to install the bridge rectifier, and then we're going to put the body back on and the handset and the handset cord, and we're going to come back and do our final checks with this telephone. So we'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this telephone. And so what we want to do now is our final checks. And I'm going to go ahead and ring it with the analyzer. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll go ahead and answer the telephone. I want to give you some dial tone. Now what I want to do, if you watch the analyzer, is we want to walk through our numbers. You'll watch the numbers roll by on the analyzer there. I'm going to end in 2. We're going to go ahead and hang up. Give you some dial tone. We'll dial a 2 and make dial tone go away, and I want to transmit into the handset. So if you watch that red light there on the analyzer, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit every time you see that red light. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hello, hello. So we know that this telephone has receive, transmit, it's dialing out, and it rings on a ring cycle. What we can do now is I have a button here on this switch box, and if I push that button, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call a time and temp number. And I want to tell you, though, they're having problems with their equipment. So you'll hear the recording start, but then you'll hear a loud hum, and then the recording will start again. They're having problems with their equipment, and it has nothing to do with what we're doing here on this end. So we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone.
Today is Monday, August 12th. The time is 10:18. Current temperature 79 degrees. Mostly cloudy tonight, 40% chance of a shower and a thunderstorm. Temperature in the 70s overnight. Tuesday partly sunny, a high in the low 80s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Randy and he can start enjoying his telephone. I think he made a very wise decision. This beige telephone is fine, but it does have some age on it and it has yellowed some, so this white one is a much better looking telephone at this point, and I'm sure he'll get a lot of enjoyment out of it. And he's got a nice long cord here in case he needs to talk and walk around. We had talked about that. He just didn't want it draping on the floor, so I think he'll be fine with that. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.